Let's talk about why you should map your business before automating anything. Spending just 15 minutes doing this can save you hours of building the wrong automation. Automation doesn't fix a process, it repeats a process. If the process is messy, automation simply repeats the mess faster. The easiest way to map your business is with a simple 3-column table. Picture 3 columns on the whiteboard. The first is task, the second is how often, the third is decision or rule. Start by listing the work that repeats every day or every week. These could be replying to inquiries, sending invoices, booking meetings, updating customer records, or following up with leads. Be specific. Don't write sales. Write something like, reply to new inquiries. Next, write how often each task happens. A task that only takes 5 minutes may not seem important, but if it happens 30 times every week, that's several hours of repeated work. Now look at the third column. Ask yourself one simple question. Does this task always follow the same rule, or does someone have to make a decision? A rule is predictable. If a form is submitted, create a contact. If an invoice is overdue, send a reminder. If a meeting is booked, send a confirmation email. These tasks don't require understanding. They simply follow instructions. Those are great candidates for automation. A decision is different. Someone has to read, understand, or judge the situation. Is this customer request urgent? Is this lead qualified? What reply should be written? Those tasks are good candidates for AI. Here's the key idea. Rules become automation. Decisions become AI. Now let's walk through a simple example. Imagine a customer sends your business an email. The first step is easy. A new email arrives. That's a rule, so automation starts the workflow. Next, the system needs to decide whether the email is urgent. That's a judgment, so AI reads the message and classifies it. Once the decision is made, automation takes over again. If it's urgent, send it to the priority inbox. If it's normal, send it to the standard inbox. Notice the pattern. Rule, decision, rule. That's how most modern AI workflows are built. There's one more thing to look for while mapping your process. Notice every point where work moves from one person or system to another. These are called handoffs. Handoffs are often where delays happen, information gets lost, or work is duplicated. They're usually good places to improve your workflow. Here's where people often make a mistake. They buy an automation tool before understanding their process, or they automate a workflow that's already broken. If your process has unnecessary steps today, automation will simply repeat those unnecessary steps tomorrow. Always improve the process before you automate it. So to recap, list your repeating tasks. Write how often they happen. Then decide whether each step follows a rule or requires judgment. Rules are usually automation. Decisions are where AI belongs. Save this and actually spend 15 minutes mapping your business. It'll make every automation you build after this much simpler.